Hey there, I just want to make this quick video about the Raydrop humidifier. So if it's not working and it just doesn't work for you at all, what you can try to, this is something I found in the manual, is that ensure the unit is properly plugged into power outlet. So this is the only advice they're giving me about the Raydrop. So what you can try to do is use a different outlet, a different room. Just if it's working but not misting, then you have to look for a different, let's say, solution for it. About, like, for example, the indicator light turns red, not enough water inside the base chamber, fill the water tank. But just try to plug it out, leave it for like 10-15 minutes, use it in different outlet in a different room. Also, don't have anything connected to it, like for the extension, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. I don't know. I'm sorry if it didn't help you. This is like waste your time, but this is something that just like I found in a manual for the product. So hope it helps. If it doesn't, I hope you're gonna find a solution. If you do, write it down below in the comments for others. So have a great day and goodbye.